Hi, Bong Alcaide here. Welcome sa aking channel. Okay? Sa video na ito, we'll try to review Roha Elysium. Salamat nga pala kay Romel Gomez. Pinahiram sa atin to. Binenta ko na kasi yung ganito ko eh. This one, we'll try to review. We'll try to check. Check natin muna sa Fragrantica and then itatry kong i-review on my own sa sarili ko. Let's try the accords. I'll try to flash it here, yung accords niya, okay? Main accord is citrus, aromatic, and woody. Fresh, spicy, amber, green, fruity, earthy, and animalic. Okay. This one, yep, wait. Focus mo. Yan.